A satellite survey of Wyoming reveals 14,000 acres of dormant soil. Public records list owners as shell companies registered in Delaware and Nevada. The anomaly sits inside the county utility logs for the last fiscal quarter. Despite massive square footage, the electrical consumption remains exactly 0.0. No lights, no heating, no water. Filtration systems are currently active here. A concrete perimeter wall stands 12 feet high, guarding only empty grass. Satellite thermal imaging confirms a complete absence of human heat signatures inside. The ledger shows tax payments arriving precisely on the 1st of January. The physical asset exists, yet it functions entirely outside the residential economy. Contractors report orders for reinforced steel grade, typically reserved for military silos. Invoices show delivery of 300 industrial air filtration units to nowhere. Workers sign non-disclosure agreements before stepping onto the unpaved gravel access roads. The blueprints detail subterranean levels extending 50 feet into the bedrock layer. Standard windows are replaced by ballistic glass, rated for high-velocity projectile impact. Independent generators arrive in unmarked trucks, capable of powering small towns indefinitely. The architecture prioritizes structural integrity over any standard aesthetic or comfort metric. Fiber optic cables run directly into the earth, bypassing local municipal hubs. This infrastructure is built for separation, not for habitation or luxury living. $6 billion moved from liquid equities into these static concrete shells. This capital transfer represents a specific withdrawal from the active market circulation. Materials required for construction have caused a 12% regional supply deficit. Local contractors face shortages of cement and steel due to private hoarding. The labor force is diverted from municipal projects to these private fortifications. Every square foot built here removes resources from the public housing inventory. Financial audits trace the money back to diversified portfolios seeking physical permanence. This is a mathematical calculation regarding the future value of fiat currency. Wealth is converting into mass, density, and tangible territory at record rates. In the sub-basement, a single shelf holds non-perishable caloric density for 20 years. A hydroponic rig sits unclugged, wrapped in factory plastic, waiting for activation. The inventory list details medical sutures, antibiotics, and potassium iodide tablets specifically. One localized map marks local aquifers and game trails with red ink. A Geiger counter is mounted permanently to the wall near the airlock. The artifact is not the building, but the specific intent behind it. Dust settles on a manual titled Long-Term Infrastructure Maintenance, encased in plastic. No furniture exists here, only racks of supplies and tactical communication gear. The preparation suggests a timeline measured in decades rather than fiscal quarters. The data indicates a systematic decoupling of high net worth individuals from societal grids. We are witnessing the physical manifestation of a zero-trust societal model. These estates function as sovereign islands within the borders of the state. The logical endpoint is a fragmented network of self-sustaining, fortified private city-states. Economic participation decreases as asset protection becomes the primary operational directive here. Current trends project a 40% increase in bunker construction by next year. The invisible fortress is no longer theoretical. It is poured concrete reality. This architecture anticipates a future where reliance on public infrastructure becomes impossible. The exit strategy has been executed, filed, and cemented into the earth.